So today I'm taking this old scrap gold sovereign holder and turning it into an amethyst ring. So the first thing I've got to do is remove the jump rings and claws that would have held the coin in place. To do this, I simply heat the item up to the point that the solder melts, and with a pair of tweezers remove them from the ring. Once it's been cleaned in an acid bath, I then file down the solder remains and any high points. As well as tidy up the cut that was made when the coin was taken out. So this is a 4mm gold collet. I bought it off Cooks and Gold along with practically all my materials and tools. I'll link them down in the description below. And I solder the collet to the ring. Once soldered, I can then use a mandrel and wooden hammer to bring about its circular shape. Once in shape, I'll sand down all the surfaces. Before seeing how the amethyst stone fits. To make the stone fit nicely, I'll use a stone setting burr to create a seating for the stone. Once I'm happy with how the stone is fitting, I'll do the first stage of polishing with Tripoli and use a bristle brush to polish the collet. And then carefully use some pliers to push the claws over the stone to secure it in place. I'll then file where necessary and use a cut burr to round off the edges. A little more filing before using a burnisher to finish it off. Once that's done, I'll use the bristle brush to clean up the claws and then finish up with a soft mop and rouge. And here we have the finished result. A nice simple transfer from what would have been scrap into a ring. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.